Hello, dear friends. Welcome back to our channel. Today, I will take you on a journey that will make you speak English with confidence. Imagine a girl named Emma. She just moved to New York City. Everything feels new, exciting, and a little scary. Her English is not very strong, but today, she decides she will practice, no matter what happens.
Emma wakes up early, stands in front of the mirror, and smiles. She says out loud, "Good morning. How are you today?" "I am good. Thank you. And you?" She repeats these lines again and again. Then she goes outside. On the street, she meets her neighbor. She takes a deep breath and says, "Good morning." The neighbor smiles and replies, "Good morning. How are you today?" Emma feels a little nervous, but she remembers her practice. "I am good. Thank you. And you?" The neighbor answers, "I am fine. Have a nice day." Emma smiles. This was her very first conversation of the day. Dear friends, this is your first step to learn to say hello. Learn to ask, "How are you?" It is the key to starting any conversation. Say it with me now. Good morning. How are you today? I am good. Thank you. And you? Say it again slowly. Each time you repeat, you will feel more natural. After this success, Emma feels brave. She walks into a coffee shop. The smell of fresh coffee fills the air. The cashier smiles and says, "Hi, what would you like today?" Emma takes a moment, then answers, "One coffee, please." The cashier asks, "Small, medium, or large?" Emma thinks and says, "Medium, please." The cashier nods. "Anything else?" Emma shakes her head. "No, thank you." "That will be $3, the cashier says. Emma pays and says, "Thank you." "You're welcome. Have a nice day." Emma walks out with her coffee, feeling proud of herself. And you, my friend, can do this too. Let us practice together. One coffee, please. Medium, please. No, thank you. Have a nice day. You see, these are real sentences you can use every day.
After finishing her coffee, Emma wants to visit a park, but she does not know the way. She sees a police officer and asks, "Excuse me, where is the park?" The officer answers kindly, "The park is 2 blocks away. Go straight, then turn left." Emma replies, "Thank you so much." The officer smiles, "You're welcome." Emma follows the directions, and soon she is standing inside the park. This is an important step for you, too. When you need help, don't be shy. Just say, "Excuse me, where is the park?" Or, "Excuse me, can you help me?" Practice with me now. Excuse me, where is the park? Go straight, then turn left. Thank you so much. Good job. In the park, Emma sees a girl reading a book.
She feels nervous, but she wants to practice more English. She walks up and says, "Hi, is this seat free?" The girl smiles. "Yes, please sit." Emma sits down and asks, "What are you reading?" "A book about New York City," the girl replies. Emma says with a big smile, "Wow, I am new in this city." "Really?" the girl says. "Welcome to New York." They talk for 10 minutes. Emma learns about the best places to eat and visit in the city. And just like that, she has made a new friend. And you, my friend, can make friends like this too. It only takes a few sentences. "Is this seat free?" "What are you reading?" "I am new in this city." "Welcome." Practice these lines slowly, then say them faster. Small talk is the key to building new friendships.
Emma goes home and writes down everything. She writes, Number 1, say hello and ask how are you. Number 2, order coffee politely. Number 3, ask for directions. Number 4, make small talk and make new friends. She reads it out loud. She repeats it many times. Every day she learns new words, but most importantly, she uses them in real life. Her English becomes better each week. Her confidence grows. She is no longer afraid to speak. Dear friends, you can follow the same path. Practice these sentences every day. Talk to yourself in the mirror. Speak to your friends. Even speak to your pet. The secret to learning English is simple. Practice plus patience equals progress. So, my dear friends, never feel shy to speak English. Every mistake you make brings you closer to success. Remember Emma's story. Go out and try. Say hello. Order coffee. Ask questions. Make friends. Every day, you will get better and better. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like this video. Subscribe for more easy English stories. And share this video with someone who also wants to learn English. See you in the next video.